वेलकम। आज हम 8th चैप्टर करेंगे जिसका नाम है यूनिटरी मेथड। फाइंडिंग आउट वैल्यू ऑफ वन फ्रॉम मैनी बाय डिविजन देन द वैल्यू ऑफ मैनी फ्रॉम वन बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज कॉल्ड द यूनिटरी मेथड. Example, the price of 7 books is 56 rupees. Find the price of 9 such notebooks. The problem is solved in 2 steps. Calculate the price of one notebook from 7 division and calculate the price of 9 from 1. So multiplication. यहाँ पे हम ऐसे similar word problem solve करेंगे. The price of 8 notebooks is 72 rupees. Find the price of 5 notebooks. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे find the price of one notebook. तो फिर हमें करना होगा 72 divided by 8, which is equal to 9. So the cost of one notebook is 9 rupees. Then what is the cost of 5 notebooks? Then we will do 5 into 9. We will do 5 into 9, which is equal to 45 rupees. So that means the price of 5 notebooks will be 45 rupees. 2 cotton shirts cost 760 rupees. What is the cost of 5 shirts of the same type? तो यहाँ पे हमें पहले डिवीजन करना होगा 760 divided by 5. 760 divided by 2. Cost of one shirt equal to 760 divided by 2. Now 760 अगर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो फिर हमें मिलेगा 380. अभी स्टेप 2 में हमें 380 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है ताकि हमें कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 शर्ट्स मिले. सो 380 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू, अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 1900. सो 1900. So basically the answer is 1900 rupees. Find the cost of 7 liters of milk if 8 liters of milk cost 280 rupees. So now first step which we will do is 280 divided into 8. So we'll get the cost of 1 liter. So 280 divided by 8. 8 threes are 24. So then the answer is 35. Now we simply have to do 35 into 7 to find the cost of 7 liters. So let's write over here 7 into 35 is equal to 245. So 245 is the answer. The cost, the total cost is 245 rupees. The price of 5 kg of rice is 225. What's the price of 16 kgs of rice? So first let's divide 225 divided by 5 to find the price of 1 kg. It's equal to 45. And then the next one we will do 45 into 16. Which is equal to 720. So then the final answer is 720 rupees. So that's the cost of 16 kgs of rice. The contribution of 6 children for a picnic is 1050. What's the contribution for 7 children of the same picnic? So first what we have to do is we have to divide 1050 divided by 6, so we can get the price what one child pays. Then we'll discuss about the next step. So first we'll do 1050 divided by 6. Now 1050 divided by 6 is 175. So now as we have got the price of one child, now we have to find the price of 7 children, which means we have to multiply. So here we will do 175 into 7, which is equal to 1225. So we'll write the final answer as 1225 rupees is the contribution of 7 children for the same picnic is 1225. Okay, so our last sum: in a factory 24 articles were produced in 3 days. How many articles will be produced in 10 days? So first we will divide 24 into 24 divided by 3. So we'll get how many articles are produced in one day. So 24 divided by 3, which is equal to 8. So 8 articles are produced in one day. Now how many are produced in 10 days? We simply have to do 8 into 10, which is equal to 80. So now 80 articles are produced. 80 articles are produced in 10 days. Produced in 10 days. That's our final answer. So here's an activity where we have to frame our own problems based on unitary method. The first line of each problem is given to you. Complete the problem by writing further. So we'll do 2 of them. The cost of 7 toys is 35. The next step will be, the next line will be find the cost of 16 toys, of any number of toys, but let's take 16. So we'll write it over here. Next we'll do the third one, which is a tailor can stitch 6 shirts in 24 days. Maybe the next statement can be, how many shirts can he stitch in 17 days? With that, we have finished the 8th chapter, which is unitary method.